Alright, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And people, I want to thank you for the 7K subscribers. And remember, say a 10K we are going to, So you just go and like, share and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. And go and give me the support. Same way. People, you don't have to ask nobody nothing and nobody have to tell you nothing. Because you already know how J Progress go to work already. So without further ado, my people, we are going to mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone and get straight to work, my people. Watch out now, that one you are going to take we back over to Canada again. With the farm worker them, we are run off over Canada. Because right now, I hear the government come with a thing right now. And lick out on the farm worker them, we are run off right now over Canada. And we are going to touch that. But before we even get there, I want to hear J Progress say upon it. Me are going to make you listen a piece of clippings, me people, with what really are going on and what the government has said. And before we even get this up, me want to big up that general named Owen from over Canada in a Calgary. Owen, big up yourself. Don't feel like me not hearing no Owen. Owen, me hear. And you know who tell me to. Say you love the channel and you support J Progress thing. And you watch J Progress thing all the time. So Owen in a Calgary, in a Canada. Big up yourself, me general, all the time. And thank you for the support. Always. Everybody across the globe who support J Progress and tune into J Progress thing. Me big up you know. You hear that? And me love you know from me heart. Believe. So without any further ado, my people, make we just listen to that little piece of something, yeah? Right? Where the government, they must say, but Canada and the farm worker, them we are run off. Right
of Caribbean nationals who abandon their farm work jobs to illegally live in foreign countries. And so, the Labour Ministry is urging members of Parliament to conduct more rigorous pre-screening exercises for constituents who want to go on the farm work programs. As Jamila Maitland reports, the Ministry says some Jamaicans go absent without leave or AWOL immediately after landing on Canadian soil.
Technocrats within the Ministry of Labour and Social Security are holding their breaths that the last crop of Jamaican farm workers who left for Canada last week will not add to the number of nationals who run off in the cold. According to data from Canada's Employment Social Development Program, between 2018 and 2022, 91% of those who run off are Jamaicans.
When we have our Jamaican workers go on the program and run off, or the attitude or the conduct, it closes the door for hundreds.
Mexicans second, Eastern Caribbean countries, Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados respectively. Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. during a sensitization session with members of Parliament and other political representatives on Tuesday urged them to conduct proper due diligence before recommending constituents to the program.
As we recruit, as we guide, as we orient, we ensure that it resonates that if you do this, you are going to impact your cousin, your friend, your brother, your sister, and others to come. And we've seen it in terms of the statistical.
People, you hear what they must say? You hear what the government has said? The Labour Ministry representative, they must say, 90% of the Jamaican farm workers, them who got Canada, run off. This is a topic when we touched yesterday and say a man run off in a Canada and a face life hard. People, Canada is not one of the easiest places to get straight, but you see if you have your things set up, and you know who you are go to, all your thing plan out, all your thing are go sit in them, and not tell you nothing run off. Because Jamaica hard, Jamaica tough. And hear the thing now, where people don't understand. They are gonna make it harder now, you know. Because they make it clear, they are gonna do more rigorous pre-screening. So normally when you get a farm work card and you just do your thing, and next thing we know you're on the plane and fly to Canada, they are gonna make it little harder. You hear me I say? So when you get your farm work card now, God knows what kind of digging they are gonna do at Jamaica. Because there is nothing them can do to make people don't run off. Because anywhere you take it, Canada I go better than Jamaica. And one heap of farm worker do this thing of running off pan the farm work program and life work out for them. So when a man see that, what you think a man go do? Based on what them say, as you know hear people, as soon as some man come off of the plane and them foot touch the Canadian soil, them gone AWOL. Them no end up on no apple farm. They no end up on no little fruits farm. Them no gone pick no pepper. Them no gone pick no grape. Them no gone do nothing like them there. From them reaching Canada, them gone. Because them man they have them things set in Canada already. You hear me I say? Once you have your things set and plan out and you know where you do, run galang. Nothing wrong with that. A better life man I look round here. And me can't go round it. Me only have a problem when some man run off and have a clue what them a do. You hear me I say and run up in a big problem. But you see if you, as me say already, you know. You see if you not strong and tough and can manage the tribulation on no be your face, nothing wrong. Because here a better people a look and I just saw the thing go. Another thing again. From the Canadian Employment Social Development Program. Them a keep them statistics here, you know. And want to make it look bad away upon Jamaicans. But here the thing. I personally come here before and do a video. And hear farm workers a cry out about the deplorable condition where they have to live under. Where they have to work under in a Canada. Because when they go up on the farm owners them not treat them good. And them a live like dog because the farm owners them say, a Jamaica will not come from. You not used to nothing. You not come live like dog and work like dog. And there is no Canadian nationals who will work under those kind of conditions. You hear me I say? Remember good enough. Enough people left them yard in Jamaica, them good yard and live good life, you know, and go up on the program, you know. Things say things are go better, you know. And some conditions where them go, they go fierce. People, only dog alone live them kind of way there. And still, uno down here in the Ministry of Labour, right? Uno when you send no lasering officer them to go investigate the condition them. Because the farm owner them buy out the lasering officer them. And the little Jamaica where Jamaican man on the farm where them turn in a supervisor and where the farm owner them get privilege to do this and do that. When the lasering officer them go to them tell them say everything nice for the farmer, alright. But no farm worker live like dog and drunk in Canada. It is condition enough to make them want to run off. You hear me I say if you go find better life. And me not tell nobody not to run off from no have nothing planned out, to no run galang. Because enough man me say run off in Canada until the day them life good. You hear me I say? So you hear me I say no to uno no down at the Ministry of Labour. Jamaica already hard and tough. Once the man them take the plane and go to Canada, with no business with them, no care what kind of condition them a live under. You hear me I say? Uno don't give a flying shit about them when them reach in Canada. No matter where the farm owner them want treat them. And me say I think a little video me see the condition the farm workers in Canada are go under. So why not run off if you get the chance? The only problem is, me no like when the man them run off and them no have a clue where them a run go to or where them a go do. Because me see man and man end up back at them yard because them never plan out them thing. But if you think plan and you think set and you think organize, run with the wind that blowing in your direction and don't even look back. You hear me I say? Because you can find a better life if you know what you do. Right? On that note, me people, me want to touch something. And it's funny. One of my little general them reach out to me the other night. Right? And the man say, J Progress, me want you to touch a topic for me, bro. Because here, me there with enough of them farm workers where they in Canada work, brother. And the one them when they so far from we can reach some of the town them are sitting. Because you know enough farm workers all in some back of bush. With them they far from the town, probably a once a fortnight or once a month them going to the town. Right? That different. But you have some other farm workers when they're too far we can reach the town as them please every now and then. The man say, J Progress, enough of them boy you over here. I work them little farm work money and when you see them a party, brother, a be a flossy man, them a floss and a buy be a top shelf liquor And I say them rich out and them a big niche and them a this and them a that. And when a time for them good on them don't have a dollar. And enough of them one day the one them will run off to in a Canada and run off with not even a cent to them name. Homeless. Live like dog and drunko. And them the one of the problem we are run off. A man say youth, when you see them go down, enough time, baby mothers, girlfriend, families, everything, when you no call them and you can't get the money, they must say nothing now go on the farm. This not happen, not happen. Sometime, you know, nothing now go on the farm, you know. But you see the one them will go up there, hype up themselves, and I go on like them a top and them a big niche, and I spend their money, I buy top liquor and I live the top life, and I go on like say Ray. You hear me I say and come back broke like dog, them come back down worse than how them go up. Them the one day a waste of time. Look how much man out they could have take one farm work yard and go make use of them thing. When the general show me that as a man we dead up there, panic grow and I see what I go on, me I say, Jaja no youth. And that really a go on? And me think say every man they go on farm work and our farm work hard and tough. Would I go on farm work, go put in the work and save them money and try go back home, go make something good of themselves. If them a go back home, or if them a plan to run off, them save up all of them money and put one side. That's when them run off, them have money can sort out certain business to make them thing legal up in the country. No. Some man up there hype and a go on like them a Canadian citizen. Them a go on like them a work with the government up there. Them a go on like them in a big jog and them status good and them a go there till they son them. Not remembering say after a couple months them a go back at them yard and then go back down worse than all them go up. Somehow no boy no forget no farm work yard and make the real people them who need it get it fi can go up they go work and better them life and better them family. When you tell me not really surprised, you know, because we know some man hype and show off already, you know. But you see the farm work program here, a whole heap of thing did it to it. Whole heap of thing did it in the Canada farm work program here. Brother, somehow you can extend and stay over there. Can do extension and be something. Depends upon what kind of program you go upon. Right? If you can do that, that is the very first approach. Farm workers, if you can extend your contract in the country, that should be your first approach before you even run off in a Canada. Listen me and listen me good. Right? If that approach fail and you still decide to you want to run off, make sure say all of your money where you work, you save it and don't go Canada go live like you're born and grow there and you have some big niche and you're rich out over there. Save your money because you're going to need that money to start out your business when you run off and if you pay a legal fee, even if you pay a girl for marry you, even if you take anything at all, but make sure you have your money. And the next thing again, the third thing, before you think about if you run off, make sure say whoever you run into or wherever you run into, there is a kind of a solid foundation set and things kind of organized. Else you go in a problem in a Canada. If you can avoid running off in the winter, avoid and wait till the time start get warm your runway. If you go there in the summer, run the fire in the summer. Don't wait till the winter to run off because the cold in a foreign now Canada not easy. You hear me I say? Alright. People, government of Jamaica, me want to hear me now. When you run the farm work card them, I want to give the little man them the farm work card and them go up on the farm them. I want to ignore all of the neglect and the conditions where the farm workers them have to work under. People who are come from good, decent home and just try to make a better life for them family. But yet still, the Ministry of Labour don't even contact with them. They never want to hear from them. When a complaint or a report is made of the farm, them tell them to roll it out and tough it out. Lasering officer them no have no use. Them easy to buy out. The Canadian owners the farm owners them just buy them out. And then somehow no dirty bossy slave. We over there on the farm too. Because Jamaicans they over there on the farm to some dirty bossy slave. Where them give one little supervisor's position. And no pressure the farm worker them. And no help enforce the deplorable condition. And make it look like everything alright. Farm work life not easy in a Canada, people. When you get your farm work ticket, farm work life don't easy in a Canada. So sometimes J Progress cannot blame the man them for run off. But all I beg you is run off with a sound setting thing for you to run too. Don't just run so. You know the whooping so because Canada big and wide because we dead over there. You no run off in a cold time, cold, we kill you. You know we have to come back on the yard quicker than how you run off. You hear me I say? Jamaica hard and tough. When the government send you no go there, they no business with uno. When you no go there work for some of the farm them, some of the owner them for the farm, treat you like dog. Make you live like dog. Put you come like in a hog pen them, put you for live. Because first thing them say you no used to nothing. And you see if you no complain, them don't put you back on them farm next year. You no lose the contract. So them no want you to complain, you no fi say nothing. You hear me I say? But one thing I know for certain, 90% of the Jamaicans them will go over the runoff. And Mexicans are the neither runner up who run off. Why would you think that happen? Because the country where them are come from, hard and tough, and them want a better life. Nothing wrong for try after a better life. But just make sure say you no settle nothing when you not run off. You hear me I say? Never mind the Ministry of Labour. And how difficult them are going to make it for people go to Canada for farm work. And how much rigorous pre-screening them are going to do. And if you run off, you make it bad for your cousin and your uncle and your way. That have to them deal with after you run off and you're alright in the country. Because guess what? You get a blind and if you see where it can work out, you do your thing. Because them the people in the Ministry of Labour well alright. Them have visa can fly go to Canada as them please and fly come back. And them live good at Jamaica. And we, as the little ghetto people, them the old work and them when nobody now support with nothing. And we get the farm work ticket to go up on the farm go work like a slave for little and nothing. Why not run off if you see the opportunity clear? That's all me can say. You hear me? Everybody big up on yourself again. And me say me get to 7K subscribers and everybody me thank you. Remember we get to 10K subscriber by March. And when me say, me know say we can do it. Me certain say we can do it. So everybody who no like up the video them, share up the video them, comment under the video them, and help that push the channel at J Progress channel and make sure so we get to 10K subscriber by March. We know we can do it. Believe.